Imagine, you've finished your spring cleaning, the garden is free of leaves and twigs, bags of grass clippings line the driveway. What if, instead of ending up on the sidewalk, these remnants of a vibrant garden could be transformed? What if you could turn this so-called waste into something truly wonderful? You can. This is the magic of composting, where nature's cycle unfolds right before your eyes, turning humble garden waste into gold for your garden. Composting is easier than you think. It not only reduces waste but also enriches the soil. It's a simple way to return valuable nutrients to the earth. Your plants will thank you. It's about embracing the natural cycle of decay and renewal. Every piece of waste has a role. By composting your spring yard waste, you're not just tidying up, you're creating something special. You're contributing to a healthier ecosystem. Get ready to witness the amazing transformation of ordinary debris into a gardener's most prized possession, nutrient-rich compost. Your garden will never have been so lush. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Think of your compost pile like a hungry friend, always looking for a balanced meal. It needs the right balance of brown and green materials to thrive and grow healthy. Brown materials are like the bread of a sandwich, providing essential carbon. Think of dry leaves, straw, and shredded paper, all rich in carbon. Green materials are the tasty fillings, offering vital nitrogen. Grass clippings, vegetable scraps, and coffee grounds are great examples of green materials. The perfect compost recipe aims for a balance of these elements, creating a harmonious mix. A good rule of thumb is to use 1 part green material for every 2 to 3 parts brown, keeping things balanced. This ratio provides the ideal environment for beneficial microorganisms to work their magic, breaking down the materials into rich, earthy compost, ready to nourish your garden. Now let's talk about how to build your compost pile. Imagine you're making a delicious lasagna. Just like you layer pasta, sauce, and cheese, you'll layer your brown and green materials in your compost bin. Start with a layer of twigs for good air circulation at the bottom. Then, add a layer of brown material, like dry leaves or shredded paper. Follow with a layer of green material, such as grass clippings or kitchen scraps. Keep layering until your bin is full, always making sure the brown layers are thicker than the green ones. Like any living thing, your compost pile needs a little care. Keep it moist, like a wrung-out sponge. Turn the pile every week or two to provide oxygen to those busy microorganisms. This also helps to distribute the heat evenly, which speeds up the decomposition process. Don't worry if your pile shrinks, that's a good sign. It means the materials are breaking down. Be patient. It takes time for nature to work its magic. In a few months you'll be rewarded with rich, dark compost that smells like earth after a spring rain. Now the moment you've been waiting for has finally arrived. Imagine gently mixing your homemade compost into your garden beds, smelling the fresh, earthy scent. You're not just adding nutrients, you're giving life back to the soil, creating a fertile environment for growth. Your plants will reward you with robust growth and vibrant blooms, transforming your garden into an oasis of color. You've come full circle, turning waste into a valuable resource, reducing waste and improving the environment. Composting is more than just a gardening technique. It's a philosophy of sustainable living. It's about understanding our connection to the natural world and playing an active role in its life cycles. It's about transforming what we perceive as waste into a valuable resource, enriching our gardens and our souls with every gesture. Embrace the magic of composting and watch your garden thrive, nourished by the very essence of life and nature. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more green thumb tips.